हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, स्मॉल बार मैग्नेट इज बीइंग slowly inserted with constant velocity inside a solenoid as shown in figure. So which graph base represents the relationship between EMF induced with time? So let us see here. If you see, right, while the bar magnet is going inside, so let us two cases here. While the magnet is going inside, so while the magnet is going inside, the flux will increase, right? This will increase. So from here I can say, because the magnetic field linked with the coil will increase, so obviously the flux will increase while it is going inside. So from here I can say d phi by dt will become positive. So EMF is minus d phi by dt. So since EMF is positive here in this case, because the flux is increasing, so here the EMF will be a smaller than 0. Let us see while the magnet is, right, so after some time the magnet will be inside and then it will come out from the other side. So let us see while the magnet is coming out, right, while the magnet is coming out. So obviously when the magnet will come out, then the magnetic field linked with the coil will start decreasing and hence the flux will start decreasing. So from here I can say that d phi by dt will be negative because the flux will decrease. In this case, you can write here the flux as flux decreases. So from here I can say EMF is equal to minus d phi by dt, and here the d phi dt is negative, so this whole sign, this will become positive here. Okay, so you can easily see the EMF is changing its sign. So out of these four figures, only the C option, the EMF is changing the sign, it is going. So in this no change in sign, this case no change in sign, this case also no change in sign, so option C will be correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.